Logging into Thunkable is quick and straightforward, and once you're in, you can immediately access your projects and start building apps directly in your browser. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Thunkable website. On the home page, look for the Login button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking Login will take you to the Sign In page. Here, you'll be asked to choose how you want to access your account. Thunkable typically allows login through a Google account, Apple account, or email and password, depending on how you originally signed up. If you use Google when creating your account, select the Google Login option and choose the same account you used during sign-up. After confirming, you'll be automatically signed in and redirected to your dashboard. If you signed up using email, enter your registered email address and password in the provided fields. Make sure the details match exactly with the ones you used during registration. Once entered, click the Login button to proceed. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your Thunkable dashboard. This is where all your projects are stored. From here, you can open existing apps, continue working on unfinished projects, or start creating a new app using Thunkable's AI-powered builder. If you don't see your projects after logging in, double-check that you are using the correct account. Many users accidentally sign in with a different Google or email account, which results in an empty dashboard. Once you're inside your account, you can immediately start building by selecting a project or using the AI prompt system to generate a new app idea. Thunkable will then open the editor where you can design, customize, and test your application in real time. And that's how you log in to Thunkable. Just go to the website, click Login, choose your preferred sign-in method, and you'll be directed straight to your dashboard where all your apps and tools are ready to use.